Hello, and welcome to Pocket Programmer ASMR. ASMR stands for Audio Something Magnetic Resonance. That's totally wrong. I don't know what it stands for, but I wanted to make one video just to see what it would be like. This will probably be the only Pocket Programmer ASMR. What we're going to do today is make something very soothing, and we are going to call it stars. So I'm going to start by creating a new Python file, and I'm going to name it Stars with a Z. I believe the Smashing Pumpkins had a song called Stars with a Z. We are going to start by importing all of our Ursina stuff. So from Ursina, import different kind of star. I also know I'm going to need random, so let's import random as well. I'm going to need an update function, so def update. And right now we'll just put pass. And we have the main part of the program down here, so we are going to do app equals capital Ursina and app.run. I also want to create just a list of stars. I was thinking of making a class, but instead of a class, let's just have a list. So we're going to call it stars equals, and then that. We'll have a big old list of stars. And let's make 100 stars. So I'm going to say I is equal to 0, and then while I is less than 100, we are going to make a star. So we will say star equals entity, model equals sphere, and we want it random size and location and color. So we're going to have a lot of random values here. Perhaps it'll be easier if we create them each individually. So let's do size equals random.randint 1,5. Xval is going to be random.randint, and let's go from -50 to +50, and we will adjust our play area to recognize these values, or at least something close to it. Yval is going to be the same thing. And then for our zval, we are going to have that be, let's go 0 to 100, just based on where the camera starts. Eventually these things are going to need direction as well. So let's see, how do I want to handle this? X direction is going to be random. Yeah, you know what? I think we can just do all these things again. Hopefully it'll work. So I'm going to copy paste. Just change it from val to dir for direction. The idea being that we are going to have our stars face a direction for when I have them start moving around. Okay, and then finally we need RGBs. So R is going to be random.randint 0,255. And then we'll just do the same thing for green and blue. Oh, what did I do? Try that again. Okay, so those are all of our random values, and I'm kind of glad we did this all separately, because that would have been a lot to type out in one line. So we have a model. It is a sphere. We're going to say size is equal to, size is not a good choice, was it? Let's call it S size for star size. So size is equal to S size. Color is going to equal color RGB. I don't like the fact that that's underlined. There it goes. Okay, color RGB and RGB, because we set those as our random values. And we're going to say X equals X val, Y equals Y val, Z equals Z val. So that's it for creating it. This will determine randomly where these stars start. And then we're going to do star dot look at x dir, comma y dir, comma z dir. That'll give us location. And then we will do stars dot append star. To make sure we don't have an infinite loop, we will then say I plus equals 1. And this gigantic loop should give us all the stars that we need. And all we really need to do now is, instead of pass, for star in stars, star dot position plus equals star dot forward. Hopefully that'll work. Let's give this a try. See what kind of mistakes we wound up with. And we have look at takes 2 to 3 positional arguments before we're given. Okay. Look at. Maybe if we do it like this. Because it should be a specific point. So we're looking at a specific point. Let's try that. And there we go. So, it worked. It was fast. Let's change this just a little bit. First, star.position, star.forward was really fast. Let's slow that right on down. We're going to divide that value by 40, whatever it happens to be. And I also want to do if star.x is greater than 50, star.x equals negative 50. If star.y is greater than 50, then star.y equals negative 50. If star.z is greater than 100, then star.z will equal 0. This will just loop us back through the viewing area. And then I want to do all these same things again, except in reverse. So if it is less than negative 50, then we want to make it positive 50. If y is less than negative 50, then we want to make it positive 50. And if z is less than 0, we want to make it 100. Let's see what this does for us. Okay, it's a lot slower now. Hopefully this is nice and soothing. I was thinking of pulling the camera out, but you know what? Leave well enough alone. So here we are with our nice, soothing, moving stars that don't look at all like stars. They're just weird spheres on a screen in 3 dimensions that probably look more like 2 dimensions. Well, I hope you enjoyed. If you do, please check out some of my less ridiculous videos. I recently put up something about PyScript. And of course, the Ursina Tower Defense videos are a lot better than these. Plus, I have some information about actually programming in your Pocket. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.